Hey guys, we are gonna get started with a 20-minute HIIT interval workout. We're gonna have 20 different movements that are gonna work our entire body head to toe with no repeats. We have 45 seconds of work on, and in those 15 seconds of rest, I will be explaining to you what our next movement is. So let's go ahead and get started. Our first move is gonna be, our legs are wide, nice and turned out. You're gonna bend the knees, arms at 90 degrees, and then you're gonna big press overhead. So we'll go ahead and get started here. In 3, 2, 1, here we go. Take it down and press. We lower and press. So you can take this movement as fast as you'd like. You're just reaching up and overhead, inhaling and exhaling on that lift. Getting into the inner and outer thighs, squeezing the lats, pressing those shoulders. Breathe in, almost there. Inhale and exhale. And breathe, nice work. Okay, our second set is going to be a lunge with our right foot forward. You're gonna lunge, twist, come in, same leg goes. Try that with me. Lunge, twist, bring it in, lift it up, back, twist. Take that at your own tempo. Push into the ball of that foot. Lift. Three, 2, 1. Take a breath, shake it out. Okay, we're gonna do that same thing on our second side, this time with our left foot forward, and then that right foot is gonna send back. So find that lunge, and we'll begin in 3, 2, 1. You drop, down, twist, bring it in, lift. Again, take this at your own tempo. Targeting that back leg. Zip up those abs, push your shoulders down. Really rooting through that front leg. And lift. Keep it going. 4, 3, 2, and breathe. Nice work. Okay, next set, we are going to be doing a crescent lunge, back, and then you're gonna tap that left foot out. So you lower down, and we tap. Here we go. In 3, in 2, and 1. Send it back. Trying to find that balance at the top. Press. Got it. Keep going. Sink a little bit lower. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shake it out. We'll take that second side. Same movement. This time, that left foot's front. Curtsy lunge, and then squeeze and lift to tap. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Back. Lift. Stand nice and tall. Nice and proud. Sink it low. Really using your core at the top to find that balance. Got it. Keep breathing. Keep those shoulders down. Actively press those palms together at the bottom and lift. Yes. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, you guys, bring your feet nice and wide for a squat. We're gonna squat down. You're gonna twist and lift, and then squat down, other way, twist and lift. If you don't like the knee lift, just take the rotation at the top. Totally up to you. Here we go. Down and twist. Down and twist. Keeping your form, but maybe moving a little bit faster here. Start to elevate that heart rate. Yes. You got it. Squeeze and lift. Keep pushing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. All right, guys, next set. We are gonna do plank walk downs. So you're gonna take your hands to your mat, walk yourself out to a plank, find that plank, and then walk yourself right back up, roll up, and reach. Here we go, all together. Use your breath. Squeeze. Finish it. And breathe. Whew. All right, we're heading to the ground. Come on down to your right knee with your left leg long. Place your right palm down. Left arm is up. You're gonna tap, lift the leg, and lower. So you're finding that work in the outer glute. Here we go. All together. Take it up. Creep. Find your tempo that works. Full body work here. But we're really focusing on that outer glute on our left side. And then pushing our oblique away from the ground on that right side. You've got it. Up. And take a breath. All right, roll out those wrists. Second side. Take that left hand down, right leg long, reach overhead. Here we go. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take it up. Try to keep that left hand right underneath your shoulder, really supporting through those shoulders, through your obliques. Use your core. Exhale as you lift. We got this. Keep breathing. 10 more seconds. Always take a break if you need it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoo! We did it, y'all. Okay, we're gonna head on our backs for some glute bridges. For our first set, bring your feet right beneath your hips, in line with your hips. Yes, you're just gonna lift your hips, take a little press, bring it in, lower down. Let's go. Take it up, press, in, lower. Hips lift, tiny press, in, and lower. Actively push the bottoms of your feet down into the ground. As you lift your hips, try to keep your rib cage on the mat. Just curling that tailbone up towards the ceiling. Lift, press, in, lower. Lift, press, in, lower. So close. All right. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax your hips. Watch me for this next set. You're gonna lift your hips up. The right knee comes to a 90-degree bend. Lower the leg, hips down, other side goes lift. Knee comes up, you lower down, hips top. Here we go, all together. Take it up, lift that knee, lower, hips tap. Switch sides, lift the knee, lower. Really pushing into that supporting leg. Using your low abs to find that knee lift. Try to stop it at 90 degrees each and every time. It's okay to take this one a little bit slower so we can maintain the control and the balance. Yes. Keep it going. Lift and drop. Lift and drop. Almost there. 10 more seconds. Last 3, 2, 1, and breathe. Woo, shake it out, you guys. All right. Next thing, we are gonna come onto all fours, and you're gonna take your right heel up to the ceiling, tuck your hips, abs are tight. You're just gonna lower the knee and then stomp it back up to the ceiling, all while maintaining your core. Here we go, all together. Press it up, down. Keep a soft bend in those elbows, soft gaze to the ground, keeping that back nice and flat as we press. Up, lower, press, lower. Don't forget about your core. Think of pulling your abs, your belly button away from your mat, and those shoulders press away from our ears. Press and squeeze. You've got this. Lift and lift. All that energy out that heel. Keep breathing. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Sit it up, roll out those wrists. We're gonna head into that left side all together. Shake it out. Find your form, your position, and then squeeze your abs in. Shoulders are down. That left heel presses up. Here we go. Lower down, press it up. Lower, press. Keep those hips square, nice and parallel, so we can carve out the base of that booty all the way through the hamstring. Got this. 10 more seconds. Last 2 and 1. Whew, all right. So good, you guys. Okay, next up we're gonna head back down onto our backs and begin with our ab work. So I want you to take your right leg long, your left arm is long, you're gonna curl as you lift the arm to the leg, lower back down. We twist up, we lower down. Twist, lift, lower down. Twist, lower. Reaching across that chest and then opening wide. Use your breath. And breathe. Reach everything long. We're gonna take that second side. So this time our left leg will be long, our right arm will be long, and then you can take that right hand behind the head and we take that kick twist. Here we go, all together in 3, 2, 1. Twist, lift. 10 more seconds. Breathe. All right, next set, you guys, you're gonna take your legs up to the ceiling. Your head is flat. You're gonna alternate lower your leg and then lift, switching sides, lower and lift. So working our low abs. Here we go, all together. Keep that lower back pressing into the ground. Only go as low with the leg as you can maintain control of that movement. And breathe. All right, take both feet flat. You're gonna lift your shoulders and reach your arms past your hips, and we're gonna tap, alternating heel taps, just like this, with those shoulders elevated, all together, in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Keep it up. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Breathe. Okay, you guys. The last 2 sets, we're gonna work our lower abs for this first one. Both legs are up. We're just gonna lower for 2 counts, and then you lift all the way up 2 counts. Here we go. All together, down. And up. Same thing here, you're gonna maintain your lower back against the ground. Maybe that means you only lower to that diagonal and then lift up. Maybe you take a soft bend in your knees if you have extra curve in that lower spine. Whatever you need to do. Maintain those low abs. Breathe. And breathe. Okay, we got one more set. Bring yourself all the way up. We are gonna finish with some mountain climbers. So we will take our hands under our shoulders, and then you're gonna just alternate pulling those knees into the chest. And again, you can take it as fast as you want, but here we go, all together, 45 seconds, last bit of work, let's go. More than halfway there, guys. Keep it up. And breathe. Lift those hips up. Woo! Good job. We did it. We'll see you next time.